So I've just been informed that the QSRA has been completed. Now I want to explore the results. It's very simple. I can go up here to Result. And if I click on Result, it changes this screen. Now it gives me the result for every single thing in the entire program. And I can interact with this. So if I wanted a P70, I could just go to there. I can display finish date. I cannot display the finish date. I can download using this button here. And if I want to go to a different WBS or a different milestone or something like this, I can do, and it will produce the P curve. Now we might want to produce a bigger curve, and we might want to understand our tornado graphs, our risk drivers. To do that, we just go on the left here and go to risk drivers. If we click in here, a new screen will load. Now what we have to do in this new screen is to click what activity we want to analyze. So for this, I'm going to do plan completion, but I can choose anything. I'm going to analyze it for a P80 position. This is relevant for the risk drivers. If you want to set a custom one, you can do here, and we can type the position in, but I'm just going to do a P80. I'm going to do it for all duration uncertainty and risk events, and I'm not going to compare it with the previous update. All then I need to do is click View Results. It will take a couple of seconds, and then it will show me two things. The first thing it will show me is my tornado graph, my risk drivers. Now, by hovering over individual risk drivers, I can see what percentage of the end result they are driving. And we can see here that risk number 1 is actually across the vast majority of the top 20 activities. I can also see that risk number 17 is across, but its total contribution is 1.37% rather than 1.59 to this activity. We can also see that additional risk drivers drive a large amount of the risk. So the risk in this program is distributed across. For the QSRA output, we can get our P-curve graph. Again, this is fully interactive. So we can see here any P result that we possibly would want. If we wanted to go further, we could compare it to the previous update. And what we do is set a previous update, run a QSRA in that one, and it would overlay the curves. We will do that in another video.